We know that all you guys really love your Android devices, so we like to help you out with them whenever you have problems with your Android devices. Somebody just brought me this thing that I'm playing around with right here, which is pretty cool. It is a tablet. It's a Toshiba tablet. It's right here, and like I said, it's really cool, and it's just another Android device that we love. And it's kind of hard not to love our Android devices, but we definitely do. So like I said, that's what they brought me, and they asked me, they were just like, John, you know, what do we do whenever we're locked out of this type of Android device? How can we get in this device? Well, like any Android device, it's pretty simple. And to get inside this Android device, all that we have to do is do a hard reset, do a factory reset on it, which we can go ahead and do. So to do a factory reset on this Android device, particularly this is a Toshiba tablet, if you want to do a hard reset on the Toshiba tablet, what you do is you hold the power key and the up volume key at the exact same time. Power key, up volume key, you have to do that when the device is shut off. So we're going to go ahead and power down this device. And once the device powers down and we get powered down, we're going to do a hard reset to it just like we would do to one of our Android phones. We got several Android phones, and if you want to know how to do hard resets for those, you can find those videos as well. Android devices are really simple to do hard resets to. This one, as you can see, is now successfully shut off. So to do the hard reset, we're going to find the up key, we're going to hit the up key, and we're going to hold the power key. We're going to hold those two keys at the same time, and we'll notice that whenever we boot up into this different menu right here, and this different menu is our hard reset button. We're going to press the over arrow so that we can select this little settings box right here. Alright, we want to select that little settings box, and we'll hit the power key. So we're going to go ahead and hit the power key now, if I can find the power key. So like I said, just now hit the power key, and you can see it gives us several options. On this particular device, it's going to say swipe data factory reset. So we're going to down arrow down to that. We're going to hit the power key to select it, and it's going to ask us if we really want to do it. There's a bunch of no's, and finally there's a yes somewhere. So we're going to volume down until we get to the yes. Now we're at the yes. Once we're at the yes, we're going to hit the power key. As you can see, it's going through a factory reset right now. It's going through to wipe all the data out. And now that you didn't know the password to that device and you couldn't log into this Android tablet, it was of no use to you. You could not use it because you were locked out. You didn't know the password. Now we're changing that. We're overriding that. And the system, we're restoring it. We have us a brand new tablet. As you can see, it's done. It's going to ask us, we want to reboot the system now, which we do. We will go ahead and reboot this system. Once the system reboots, you will have a perfectly good Android tablet that you can use, even though you didn't know the password, because you probably stole it from somebody or got it traded for crack. I don't care. Maybe you're just dumb and can't remember your passwords. So there you go. Want to do a factory reset on your Toshiba tablets? You're just going to hit the power button. When the device is shut off, you're going to hold down the power button and the up volume arrow at the same time. Hold down those two buttons at the same time, and then choose the option that says swipe data / factory reset. Choose your yes option because yes, you really want to do that. Let it do its thing. When it asks if you want to reboot your system, yes, you do want to reboot your system. Your system will reboot, and once it reboots, as you will see in just a few seconds, you will have a perfectly good Android tablet that you can now use. You can sell for probably around $100. You can sell this one, buy some crack with it, since you're a crackhead. And that's the only reason you bring me your Android devices, because you're crackheads and they're not really yours, they're somebody else's. You just took them from them so you could sell them and buy some crack. But there you go, crackheads. This is how you reset your Android devices. If you're not a crackhead, you can comment on my video, and I can make tutorials on not only how to program for Android, because that's what I do, but how to reset Android devices. Any Android device that you may have, you need to know how to reset it. Pretty simple. This one takes forever to load up, but that's one of the things that happens whenever you do a factory reset. It's going to take a minute to load up because basically what it has to do is it has to wipe all your existing information off of the device and then whenever you turn it on and it looks for all that information, it's not there, it's just got initially loaded up. And as you can see, here's your welcome screen right here. There's your welcome screen right here. It's asking us, we want to start, we want to skip the Wi-Fi. We'll just use the Google's location. We're going to go next, and there we go. Now we got us an Android tablet that we could use if we want to. So Android, you just been hacked again. There you go. There's your Android reset on your tablets.